Para po to kay Beatrice at lahat. May school. Okay. Okay. Yowie! It's Beatrice. Beatrice is a good friend. Beatrice! Sana makita mo itong video na in-upload ko para sa YouTube. Kasi alam ko, miss mo na kami. So, miss na rin namin ito. Ikaw, miss na namin. Sana bumalik ko dito sooner. Sige. Thank you, Beatrice, for being my happiness in my life. Bye!